Hello everyone. Today we're comparing three big names in the hosting world: Debrid, Alldebrid, and Premiumize. Which one should you pick? Let's break it down. First, what do these services do? Think of them as your all-access pass to faster downloads and better streaming. They grab links from the paid file hosting sites and give you one simple account to access them all. No more slow speeds or waiting times. You get fast downloads, better quality streams, and way less buffering. Let's talk about money. Debrid and Alldebrid cost about the same, around $3 to $4 per month. Debrid starts at €3 for 15 days, while Alldebrid runs about €3 monthly. Premiumize is the expensive one at around €8 per month. That's double the price. But does it give you the double the value? Here's where things get interesting. Debrid is simple and works great. It supports 80 file hosts and works with most streaming apps. It's fast, reliable, and gets the job done. Alldebrid is very familiar, but offers a 7-day trial so you can test it out first. It also hides your IP address automatically. Premiumize costs more because it includes extras, built-in VPN, cloud storage, and access to more file hosts. If you want an all-in-one package, Premiumize delivers. Speed-wise, all three perform well. Your actual speed depends more on your internet connection than the service itself. Users report smooth streaming and fast downloads from all three options. So, which one wins? For most people, Debrid offers the best value. It's cheap, reliable, and works everywhere. Want to test things first? Go with Alldebrid's free trial. Need VPN and cloud storage included? Premiumize is worth the extra cost. Pick based on your needs and budget. That's it for today, guys. Drop a comment with your favorite service. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.